Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on our channel. This video is a tutorial on how to dropship from Alibaba to Shopify. In this video, we're going to show you how you can dropship from Alibaba to your Shopify store, basically how you can add products from Alibaba to Shopify. So let's begin. As you can see, this is my dashboard on Shopify. It's very easy to create an account. So once you create an account and do all the processes, you simply land on this page, which is your dashboard. And currently I have added a couple of products already. So these are from different suppliers. And I'm going to show you how you can add products like these to your Shopify store, but from Alibaba. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can add products of these types, but from Alibaba. Now let's get started. So for that, you first need to go to apps over here and search for Alibaba. Now over here in the search results, you can see Alibaba over here. So you just need to click on that and add the app. And it'll take you to your Shopify page where you need to click on install app on the top right side like that. So that'll take you to alibaba.com. As you can see, this is the home page. And from here, we're going to add products to our Shopify store. Now, you need to think about what categories that you want to import to your Shopify store. For that, if you just hover your cursor on category over here, you can see these are all the categories that Alibaba caters to. So say you want to add some electronic items to your Shopify store, you will go to consumer electronics, or some beauty products, then you will go to beauty and personal care. If you want to add clothing and apparel, then you'll go to apparel. And if you want to add something from accessories, then you'll go to fashion accessories. Let's just check out what's there in this. I'm going to hit the cross mark on this one and move this out of the way, as well as this one. Now you got all these filters over here. I'm going to select local US stocks so that my consumers don't need to wait for a month to receive their products. And you can see there are tons and tons of products. If you scroll down, you can check out all these products and select one from all the details that is mentioned in the product page itself. Check out all the details that are mentioned in the card of the product itself and choose a product. Like say, for example, I'm going to choose this one. Then you can directly add it to the import list over here, or else you can open the product by just clicking on the product and it will open the products page. So here you can check out all the info of the product, like the price and everything. And you can also scroll down a little bit and it'll give you all the information about the manufacturer, its country of origin, and all these like online revenue, floor space, services, quality control, and other things. And if you like what you see in this product about all its details, packaging and delivery, the company profile, if you scroll down, you got all kinds of information about the product as well. So if you like what you see, what you will do is simply click on add to import list over here. And now if you go to the import list, you can see that the product over here has been added. So you've got one product like that. You can see this is how it appears to be. This is the product. Now you can see all the details over here. And if you click on edit product, then from the right side, this mini window will open where you have all these tabs and you can go through the details and change whatever you want. So this is the product name. So what you can do is edit it. I'm just going to shorten it a bit like that and remove some details just like that. And over here under collection, I am just going to add it to the home page of my Shopify store. Then if you go to description now, you really don't want to change anything in the description. In this case, we don't have a description here, but I'd just leaving it as it is. If you go to variants, you can see these are all the variants of these products. Now, if you want all these variants to be available on your store, you can leave this as it is. You can see that here is the SKU, plug type, color, cost, everything is mentioned over here. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and select one item over here instead of everything. So let's just select the one that has the US mentioned over here. And if you just scroll, you can see the price, the profit, and I am going to change over here. So under compare at price, you can see you can put your price. So I'm just going to add like 400. It should be greater. So it should be greater than the price itself. So under compare at price, I'm just going to add say 600. So that is greater than this price. And if everything looks okay, then you are going to click on push to store, and you can see the push has been succeeded. So now if you go to your Shopify store, and I'm just going to refresh this products page, you can see that it has already come over here. So apart from all the products that I had added earlier, now the one from Alibaba also has come over here. Now, if you want to view this product, you can simply go to your online store over here on the left side. And I want to view how the product looks like on my store. For that, you can click on view your store. And here, since I had selected on my home page in the Alibaba settings, then it has appeared here in the home page over here, you can see. And if I go to all products, you can see that the product is right over here. So if I just click on the product, all the information that we had selected has come in right over here, and it has also imported the different pictures from Alibaba, and if it had a description, the description also would appear right over here. You can scroll through this page furthermore and see for products that are easy to ship to your US customers. Now, if you don't have customers in the US and you're catering to some other place or in the geographical location, then you don't need to select this, and you can use any of these filters like products under 10 or products from featured suppliers, hot selling, new arrivals. Whatever it is, Alibaba has tons and tons, like millions of products that you can choose to import to your Shopify store and make some money. So that is basically how you can dropship from Alibaba to your Shopify store. And the best thing about the whole process is that you've got tons and tons of products catering to different categories here on Alibaba. So once you have done the process of linking your Alibaba or AliExpress account to your Shopify store, you simply need to come to this platform, check out all the products, and add them to your Shopify store. So you can create different categories. Like for men's clothing, you can create a category and on your Shopify store. And then when you link the product from here to your Shopify store, you can add it to that page on your Shopify store. Similarly, you can create a page for women's clothing, for toys like this, household items, and so many other things that you can directly add from Alibaba to Shopify. The process is pretty simple that we have explained in this video, and it is really easy to do as well. With this, we have completed our tutorial on how you can dropship from Alibaba to Shopify. We truly hope this video was beneficial to you. Do let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. We will catch you soon in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed.